Can a firefighter commit workers' comp fraud? Well, it looks like they can. It looks like potentially a firefighter has. There's the Youngstown firefighter, Patrick Bundy. Allegedly, he was working from January 16th, 2022 to February 26th of 2022, and he received approximately $5,880 in temporary total benefits, which he was allegedly not entitled to because he was submitting workers' comp forms. It's called a C-84, and he was indicating that he was not working. And he was working. It looks like he was working as a fire investigator for Segwick Management Services. So bottom line, folks, is and this is not really a judgment, a moral judgment on this firefighter, Patrick Bundy. I'm assuming most firefighters are pretty decent people. They're putting their lives at risk to help us, the public. And this, I'm assuming the same thing with this Patrick Bundy. But this might be a great guy. I don't know this individual, but I'm just gonna assume he's a good guy. But even a good guy like Mr. Bundy, you know, you're not allowed to work and receive temporary total disability at the same time. So this is what happened, and this is the outcome that's gonna go on. And now it's alleged, because he hasn't been, he hasn't been deemed guilty by the court, and perhaps he'll be found innocent. I would like to assume that he will be, but who knows? There actually is a criminal trial that's coming up, and I don't know if this is a criminal trial or what it is specifically, but it's on May 8th of 2025, which is a Thursday at 9 a.m. These things are public, so you could, if you're so inclined, you could go and sit in and watch what happens. I hope things work out for this guy. I just want to give firefighters especially the benefit of the doubt. And again, I have no reason to think that this is, this guy is a bad dude. Maybe it's perhaps he just didn't understand what was going on. I don't know. But nevertheless, folks, you cannot work anywhere and receive temporary total disability benefits. If you watch anything, if you take away anything from these videos, take away that. You can't work anywhere. You can't do DoorDash, Uber, Instacart, anything. Just don't do it. If you do it, it's going to be a problem. It's going to screw you up. It looks like his employer is still employing him. They put him on a leave of absence from, it looks like, April 20th to May 31st. And it's Youngstown where he's working. Youngstown, please give this guy some grace. I'm assuming he's a good guy. He's a firefighter. Give him some grace. Whatever determination happens at this court hearing, give him some grace. Let him come back and do his job. I'm assuming he's a good guy. So, folks, don't work when you're receiving temporary total disability.